My name is Rizna. In this video, I will be demonstrating a secure JWT authentication service built using FastAPI, PostgreSQL, Docker, and RSA 2048 encryption. This service implements a complete authentication lifecycle, including user registration, login, token refresh, and logout, all containerized with Docker. Let me start by walking through the project structure. Now I will open the VS Code. So this is my project structure. The app folder contains all our FastAPI application codes. Inside roots, we have two files which handles all authentication endpoints of authentication routes, and API routes handles protected API endpoints. Moving down to the keys folder, we have private and public keys which stores our RSA 2048 private and public keys. This folder is git ignored for security. Docker Compose YML defines our two services, the app and the PostgreSQL database. Generate keys is a shell script that generates our RSA key pair. Coming to the .env.example, it documents all required environment variables. Now open the git bash. So I already navigated to my project folder. Before that, open Docker desktop in your local PCs. The entire application runs with a single command using Docker Compose. Let us see if the Docker is open or not. I think it's loading. Wait for a few seconds. It's running. Yeah, it's running. Now open the git bash. Enter the command docker -compose -build. Docker builds our FastAPI app image, starts PostgreSQL, waits for the database to be healthy, then starts the application. You can see both services are now running and healthy. As you can see, the database system is ready to accept connections. And here application startup is complete, and UVCon is running on this 8080 port. Now open another git bash terminal. Our JWTs are signed using RSA 2048 asymmetric encryption. The private key signs tokens, the public key verifies them. So here two files, public private.pem and public.pem file. You can see the files generated by our generate keys sh script using OpenSSL. Now let's register a new user. The password must be at least 8 characters with one number and one special character. So here we got it, and now let me show what happens with a weak password also. So by using the weak password we got the 400 bad request and the validation is working correctly. And with a duplicate username, by duplicate username we got a 409 conflict. It is shown in beside terminal. Username already exists. Here email ID also already exists. Now let's log in and examine the JWT token we receive. So here we receive an access token which is valid for 15 minutes and a refresh token which is valid for 7 days. Now open your browser. Go to jwt.io. Let me decode this JWT at JWT.io to verify the contents. Copy the access token. In the header, LZ R256, RS256 and type JWT. In the payload, ISS is our issuer, sub is the username, IIT is it issued it, and EXP is expiry, exactly 900 seconds. After IIT, and the roles contains the user. The signature is verified using our RSA public key. Here without token, we get 401 unauthorized. The endpoint is properly protected. Now the token verification. So here you can see the token verification is completed and the endpoints return the decoded claim for a valid token. Logout returns 204 no content and deletes the refresh token from the database. So trying to use the same refresh token after logout returns 401, the token has been invalidated. The login endpoints is protected against brute force attacks with rate limiting 5 failed attempts per minute per IP. So here the request 1 through 5 return 401 unauthorized, request 6 returns 429, too many requests with a retrieve after header telling the client how long to wait. Now the automated test script. Finally, our automated test script runs the complete authentication flow, register login access profile, refresh token access profile again, and logout all in one command using curl and JQ. So now open the Docker desktop. Here I am clicking V and click the DB container. In the database, we can see the users table with the bcrypt hashed passwords starting with to be $10, confirming 10 salt rounds. The refresh tokens table stores active tokens with their expiry timestamps. Give the command PSQL /dt select I, id comma username comma email comma password underscore hash from users semicolon. So it shows the usernames. Select refresh tokens. So you can see our users table with the bcrypt hashed passwords. Okay, and also expiry timestamp too. Now open the browser. Just a minute.